Birthday, Mami Babes. Happy birthday!
Ito, kulit-kulit to. Kandidede. Sa dali ko. Happy birthday, Mami Babes.
Happy birthday, Ate Babes.
Pagaling ka na. Huwag mo akong gayahin. Hindi ka bumabili. Oh, cute-cute. Pugi-pugi daw yan. Pugi daw yan.
Birthday to you. Sa'yo
ang pulutan. Sa'yo ang inumin, pati pagkain.
Happy birthday, May. Kinantahan ka.
Birthday. Ang ipong ko nag-ukal-ukal na.
Thank you, May.
Mapag-abot
Love you.
ako. Happy birthday, babes. Sana maugma ka sa birthday mo. Ang wish ko pirmi sa emo na. Pirmi ka healthy. Ligtas at masaya. We love you so much. Mag-iingat ka palagi. Salamat sa gabos. And I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you. Alo? Chop, chop, chop. Chop.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Yan to. Ako naman. May. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. Sorry, pero may akong masubugon talaga. Pero, thank you sa gabos. Tapos, sana maugma kang yan sa birthday mo. At palagi. Sana ligtas ka mo pero may gabos. Lalo ka na. Sana always ka healthy at happy. At, thank you, May, sa gabos. Yan, tagar ako, baby. Thank you, May. Happy birthday. We love you. We love you. We love you. Thank you. Happy birthday po. May. Love you pa.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, May. We love you.
Hello. Taking video while working. Wala namang email. So, ito na nga. Happy birthday, Mami. Mami Babes. I pray and wish for healthier and longer life. As always, yung sinabi ko na I may not be sending message as often, pero I always bear in mind that, or please always bear in mind that we all love you and we are always praying for you and our family as one of our dearest mommy. Thank you not because of material things or gifts, but thank you because you're a blessing to the family and to our family. You are precious to us that no one can replace. From the very bottom of my heart, personally, I love you and I will always be, and I hope to be with you soon, Mami. Here in Bicol, makaon kita pansit Buda Ibos. Iyo, kaya magpakusog. So, again, happy birthday, and I'm really happy na yaon na si Rina. So, thank you so much. The whole family, we love you. We are always praying for you. And again, happy birthday. Enjoy your day. So, send more updates and videos. We are happy that you are sharing that to us. Thank you so much. Don't mind the background. Hindi pa tapos magpakisan eh. So, ayun. Nabasa ko yung message kasi ni Rina, kaya nag-take na ako ng video while checking email. So, hindi ko pa inu-open. Sabi ko, mag-video na ako. Alam ko na eh. Again, happy birthday. I love you.
Hi, Mama La. Happy birthday. We love you and miss you.
Hi, Mami Babes! Happiest birthday po! Sana po masaya kayo today. Hindi lang po today, but every day. As much as possible po, sana po masaya lang po tayo lahat para iwas sa stress. And I always continue to pray for your recovery, like full recovery po. Sana po okay ka lang po. And less stress na po tayo, Mami. Okay naman po kami dito. Forever and always grateful po ako sa lahat ng naitulong nyo sa akin. I am actually living a very comfortable life po dahil po sa opportunity provide nyo. Kaya maraming salamat po. Shoutout din kay Ate Rina. Hi, Ate Rins. Enjoy lang kayo dyan. Happy po ako sa lahat ng blessings ng kada isa sa atin. So, sana po ma-enjoy nyo yung birthday nyo and you have a good time. Bye-bye po!
Hello, Mom! Happy birthday! And wish ko on your birthday and sana matupad ni God kung ano man yung mini-wish mo, pinag-pray mo. And I know something with your health na gumaling ka na at makapag-recover in due time para mas marami tayong mapuntahan, di ba? I know. And thank you kasi isa ka sa mga taong talagang hindi na sumuko. Never give up on my dreams actually. Isa ka sa mga nag-inspire sa akin na mas lalong magkaroon ng faith and trust with God, our Heavenly Father, in Jesus Christ, na talagang in God's perfect time, matutupad lahat ng mga goals, mga pangarap sa buhay. Basta hindi susuko. Isa ka sa mga taong hindi ako sinukuan. Kahit anong mangyari, kahit anong nagawa kong like, na alis man yung landas ko before, but still, andyan pa rin kayo, nila yung ate, na sumusuporta at hindi sumuko, na naniniwala na talagang in God's perfect time na makakapunta ko dito. And nangyari nga. And thank you sa help, sa trust, and sa love, care na pinakita nyo. As a family, I'm really grateful for that. And, you deserve more blessings because you're so generous in terms of our family. And we are really blessed to have you in our life. Ikaw po yung tanging naging inspirasyon namin lahat. Kung hindi dahil sa inyo, our family is really broken. And happy birthday. And hopefully, more blessings to come, happiness, peace of mind, and we're so happy. And I'm really happy. Nakasama ko na kayo ngayon. I love you, Mommy. Anytime ko ano man po kailangan nyo. We're here for you. And kasi naging ganun ka din sa amin kahit nasa Pilipinas pa ako. And sa family, you are one of our angel, greatest angel, heaven sent from above. Love you, God bless you more, and mwah.
Hi, Mommy Babes! I know we haven't personally met yet, but let me introduce myself. Ako po yung girlfriend ni Kim. And we'd like to greet you a happy birthday. We are wishing you more years to live and a healthy life. And yes, alam po namin na i-bless ka pa ni God. Thank you so much for the things that you're doing for the family. Enjoy your day po.